Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into something that can fundamentally change not just your bank account, but your entire life. We're talking about developing the mindset of wealth. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or fleeting success. This is about cultivating a mindset that magnetizes prosperity and abundance on a lasting basis. So, let's get right into it. First things first, wealth isn't just about having money. It's about having options, freedom, and the ability to make choices that align with your values and dreams. But to get there, you've got to shift how you think about money and success. The core of this wealthy mindset, it starts with belief. Not just believing that you can become wealthy, but knowing it as a deep, unshakable truth. This belief isn't just hope. It's backed by the conviction that you will do whatever it takes to make it happen. You've got to be aggressive with your goals and assertive in your actions. Wealth doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who work relentlessly towards their dreams. Now let's talk about your relationship with money. Many people grow up with a scarcity mindset, thinking there's never enough. But what if you flip that? Start seeing money as abundant, as something that flows and will come to you as you open up to it. This shift alone can change how you interact with money, how you save, invest, and even spend. Another critical aspect is to educate yourself. Wealthy individuals are often well-informed about their finances. They read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars, and stay updated with financial news. Knowledge is power, and in the world of wealth, it's also profit. Start building your financial literacy today. Understand where your money goes, how investments work, and what strategies best fit your goals. Let's also talk about the company you keep. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Look around. Are the people around you wealth-minded? Do they talk about growth, investments, and business? Or do they complain about bills and bad luck? Surround yourself with people who challenge you to grow and think bigger. And here's the thing about mindset. It needs constant nurturing. Every day, feed your mind positive affirmations about wealth. Visualize your success. See yourself making smart investments, receiving checks, and growing your balances. Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's setting the blueprint for your subconscious to follow. Lastly, get serious about your goals. Wealth isn't accidental. Set clear, precise financial goals. How much do you want to earn, save, and invest in the next year? Break these down into actionable steps. And then, most importantly, commit to following through. It's not enough to just set goals. You need to revisit them regularly, adjust as necessary, and keep pushing forward. Remember, developing a wealth mindset isn't a one-time event. It's a daily practice. It demands discipline, determination, and an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve greatness. So, start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Your wealthy future depends on what you do right now. Let's make this journey to wealth not just a possibility, but a certainty. You've got this, and I'm here to see you make it happen. Let's go get that wealth. Absolutely. Let's keep this momentum going, because when it comes to building a wealth mindset, there's no room for half measures. It's all in or nothing. Let's break down even more strategies to keep you on the path to prosperity. Visualization and setting goals are just the beginning. It's crucial to act on these visions with precision and unwavering focus. This means developing habits that align with your financial goals. Whether it's budgeting rigorously, investing consistently, or finding additional sources of income, each action should serve your ultimate purpose of wealth accumulation. Now, think about resilience. The road to wealth is not straight. It's filled with bumps and detours. Financial markets will fluctuate, investments might not always pan out, and economic conditions will change. The difference between those who succeed and those who falter isn't just their strategies. It's also their ability to stay committed and adaptable in the face of challenges. When things get tough, don't fold. Learn, adapt, and forge ahead. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback if you're willing to see it through. Also, let's talk about risk. A wealth mindset involves understanding and managing risk, not shying away from it. Wealthy individuals often make calculated risks. This doesn't mean being reckless, but rather understanding the risks involved and having a plan to mitigate them. This could mean diversifying your investment portfolio, getting proper insurance, or setting aside an emergency fund. By managing risk intelligently, you open the door to higher rewards. Lastly, never stop learning. The world of finance is dynamic and ever-evolving. Stay curious and proactive about learning new investment strategies, financial laws, and economic trends. This continuous learning will not only help you make better financial decisions, but will also keep you motivated and engaged in your financial journey. Your mindset is the most powerful tool you have in your journey to wealth. Nurture it, challenge it, and above all, trust it. Start today with whatever you have, from wherever you are. The path from ordinary to extraordinary is paved with perseverance, knowledge, and the right mindset. Wealth isn't just about the money, it's about the freedom and life it enables you to lead. So keep pushing, keep dreaming, and keep executing. Your wealth is waiting for you just around the corner. Let's go claim it.